This is another Forest River, Aurora. The one thing that I'm liking about the Forest River is that I'm finding that a lot of them are already prepped for solar and prepped for Starlink. I like the outdoor refrigerator. This particular unit is coming in at a little over 7,400 pounds. So let's take a look. Step in, first come to a closet, definitely good for storage. You have all of your controls here to the right. Let's go to the right. Nice size kitchen. This one has a refrigerator and it also has an oven. A girl loves an oven. We also have a microwave here and more cabinet storage. Huge counter space for the kitchen. Something that I'm not seeing in a lot of the rigs. The retail price on this rig is $44,000. See. Oh, that's for paper towels. And then solar kits charge your battery for decades. All right. More cabinet space. And then fake space here. Dining room table. All right. This weekend's price, $34,995. This has a slide. You got additional seating here. Dinette. Good sized TV. You've got a fireplace and mantle here. You also have JBL speakers. Let's take a look in the bathroom. Okay. Toilet with the foot pedal for flush. And then you also have a medicine cabinet. Nice size shower. I like this type of enclosure. And then a little bit of storage space underneath here. Looks like we got a second door here. Let's see where that leads to. I'm gonna go into the bedroom. Now, I love this bedroom. We've got a door that we can close here. We have another slide. And the shelving, I don't think my CPAP machine is going to fit on that. So I don't know what I would do with that. But nice size bed, plenty of space to walk around, closet. Hello everyone. We have cabinet and drawer space underneath.
Hey, that's escape right there, give us escape room.
Oh, and that is a working drawer as well. And then here's your closet, full length mirror, plenty of space. And then you have another door that can lead you into the bathroom. And an outside door. I think that this would be a good rig for singles, couples with pets, and small children. Tell me what you think in the comments below.